Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. This is another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays where we mix low ingredient cocktails in 2 minutes or less. Today we're tackling the Elvis cocktail, one of our staples at SLB, which we use the Screwball Peanut Butter Whiskey. I'm going to start out with 2 dashes chocolate bitters. I'm going to pour 1 ounce of banana liqueur. And I think now you're catching my drift from why we call it the Elvis. He loved banana and peanut butter sandwiches. 2 ounces of the Screwball Peanut Butter Whiskey. And that's it. We're going to get some ice in the mixing glass. We're going to give it a stir. We're going to stir this just enough to get it chilled down with a little bit of dilution, and we'll be good to go. That should be good. I have a single rocks glass ready to go with a beautiful clear rock of ice. There you have it. The Elvis. Beautiful. A little chocolate in the background with the bitters. Banana, peanut butter. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. As always though, we ask you to please drink responsibly. Like and subscribe. See ya.